Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. And guys, before we get into this video, I just want to say to everyone, make sure that you stay safe with the virus and all the things that are going on right now. Make sure you're washing your hands, taking all the precautions, avoiding crowded areas, and so on. Stay safe, and most of all, stay prayed up. Guys, today I am participating in yet another collaboration. This one is the Spring Tablescape Decor 2020 collaboration. Now, the host for this collaboration is the lovely Fabulous Designs on a Budget. I don't know if you've ever been to her channel or if you subscribe to her channel, but if you don't, you are missing out. She has some great videos, great content, great information about how we can design our homes and still stay within our budgets. Now, her co-hosts for this collaboration are the lovely Saving with Mrs. V. And again, another fantastic channel. You really need to, if you don't subscribe to her channel, you really should do that. And in fact, what I've done is add links down in the description box to both of their channels. Again, that's Saving with Mrs. V, and of course the lovely Fabulous Designs on a Budget. And guys, also, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, I hope that you will do that. I would love to have you join the YouTube family here, and make sure that you hit that notifications button so that you'll be updated every time new content is uploaded to the channel. Now guys, I'll do a brief walkthrough, talk through, and just let you know what I did for this collaboration. Now, there weren't a lot of rules for this. Basically, we were to use spring colors, springtime decor, and that was really it. So guys, I decided to go outside of the box a little bit and do some different color combinations just to see how it would work. And you guys let me know if you like what I came up with. So what I did is combine yellow and green is my main colors, but you'll also notice I've got some gold accents and just a little bit of white mixed in there. And nothing says spring like green and yellow, and green, yellow, and white. And the florals that I used are the tulips. Now, again, there was one rule that I didn't mention, and that's that we had to use some sort of florals in our tablescape. So guys, I'll get a little closer. I'll show you what I did. For these place settings, I went without chargers. I just have some yellow placemats on the table. I have yellow napkins just folded on top of my plates, and I went without napkin rings. And in terms of what's underneath, I just layered some plates. I have some green Dollar Tree plates, some clear plates that I got from Walmart, and there's another clear saucer over that one. And then just to add that extra pop of gold, I have some gold saucers on top of that. And then again, just basic yellow linen napkins, and just a basic fold on those, and I decided to go without napkin rings. Now, the silverware is just the gold silverware you guys have seen a few times. I got that from Walmart. And the glassware, these are some gold-rimmed wine glasses that I've had for years. And these wine glasses come from the Dollar Tree. And they're green with a clear stem. and just in case that doesn't show up on camera. For the centerpiece, you guys know I like to play around with fabrics. So I have a green fabric remnant in the middle of the table to add that pop of color. I have a gold tray that I've used in several areas of my home, and some votives with artificial votives inside to give off a little light. And for the centerpiece, this is a vase that I bought some time ago at Ross. It was very inexpensive, and I just filled it with some artificial tulips to give it that spring, pop of color. And the candle holders here, they come from Ross, and they're gold, and gold trimmed rather, nice little crystal. I have to have some bling somewhere on the table. And that's really it. That's really it. Guys, I kept it pretty simple, but again, I wanted to kind of play around with some color, see what I could come up with. And I hope you like what I did. And I really wanted to show that you can combine different elements to create an elegant springtime tablescape and be different. You don't have to follow the same color palette all the time. So guys, I'll be quiet and let you look at the tablescape, but I thank you again so much for tuning in. So again, I want to thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. And they are, again, the host is the lovely Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Please go check out her channel. Again, there's going to be a link in the description box. And the co-host is Saving Mrs. V. Please go and check out her channel as well. And again, there will be a link in the description box. And as soon as it's available, I will also make sure that the link for the playlist is included as well. That way you can check out all the other videos and all the other participants rather in this collaboration. I'm sure they've come up with some great content. So again, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, please do that today and hit that notifications button. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.